Hello dear fans. What rivers are there in Africa? Africa is the second largest continent on the planet, second only to Eurasia in size. From the north, it is washed by the Mediterranean Sea, from the northeast by the Red Sea, and from other sides by the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. Like other continents, Africa has a large number of large, medium and small rivers, so what are the names and lengths of some of them? Instructions. Step 1. The Nile is not only the longest river on the continent, but the second in the whole world. Its length is 6,852 kilometers from south to north. The river flows into the Mediterranean Sea, forming a very extensive delta and receiving rather large tributaries: Bahr el Ghazal, Akva, Sobat, Blue Nile, and Atbara. Step 2. The area of the Nile Basin is from 2.8 to 3.4 million square kilometers, according to various estimates. The river flows through the territories of states such as Rwanda, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Sudan, and Egypt. The Nile is also the only river in North Africa that runs through the Sahara Desert, and is a very valuable source of moisture for the inhabitants of the almost completely dry area. Step 3. Other major rivers of the continent are also the following: Niger in the west of Africa, Congo and Zambezi in the central part of the continent, and Limpopo and Orange in the south of the mainland. Step 4. The length of the first river is 4,180 kilometers, and the area of the Niger Basin is 2.17 million square kilometers. The river originates on the slopes of the Leono-Liberian uplands in Guinea, then it flows through the territory of Mali, Niger, near the border with Benin, along the land of Nigeria, after which it flows into the Gulf of Guinea of the Atlantic Ocean. The largest tributary of the Niger is the smaller Benue River. Step 5. Most of the Congo's waters flow in Central Africa and the Democratic Republic of the Congo, in some places near the border between the republics of the Congo and Angola. The peculiarity of this river is that it crosses the equator twice. The area of the Congo Basin is 4.014 million square kilometers, and it originates in a settlement called Mumina. Step 6. The Zambezi is the fourth longest African river, 2,574 kilometers, with a basin area of 1.57 million square kilometers. It originates in the state of the same name, then flows through the territory of the following states: Angola, Namibia, Botswana, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, after which it flows into the Indian Ocean. It is along the Zambezi that the famous Victoria Falls is located. Step 7. The Limpopo, or Crocodile River, flows south of Pretoria from the depths of the Witwatersrand Mountains at an altitude of 1,800 meters. Its length is 1,750 kilometers with a further mouth in the Indian Ocean, slightly north of the Gulf of Delagoa. Thanks for watching.